So what's going on, community? Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another amazing, fabulous, tremendous and enormous type of the video. So guys, in today's videos I am exploring Bitget, one of the bestest cryptocurrency exchange in 2025. Here we are going to explore each and everything about this exchange, so make sure that you have watching the video till end. And before starting our video, make sure that you have a like, share and subscribe, and after subscribe my channel, please hit the bell icon, then you will get an access of all my videos notifications. And request to all guys, please watch the video till end for the better experience. So guys, our today topic is about the Bitget. I will explore each and everything, that how you can deposit, how you can trade, how you can withdraw on this platform, how you can sign up on this platform, each and everything. So make sure that you will watch the video till end for the better experience. So let's dive into the Bitget. Guys, here is our platform. Bitget is here in front of you guys. You can check it out. They also have going a lot of things like daily lucky draw trade. You can also get $10,000 to get the 20 spins on the day here. And here's our platform, Bitget Beyond Crypto Trade Global Access with the USDT here. And guys, first of all, here's our platform. You can also check it out, Beyond Crypto Global Time with the USDT. You can also download the app. They also have their wallet. They also have their exchange here, and trade anywhere, anytime. You can also download their app here. Their trading view platforms here. So guys, Bitget is here to change your trade here. First of all, how you can sign up on your account. This sign up account is so much easy way. So first of all, you need to give your email address and whatever you want on this platform, like that. I'm giving my email address. Then you need to give everything access to your email here, like that, and you have to click on I have read and then click over there. Then you need to set up a password, guys. You can also set up a password, everything whatever you want here on this platform, and you can successfully sign up on this platform. And you need to do their KYC here and everything on this platform to enter in this platform. Is also in front of you guys. So guys, then you need to enter the verification code. When you enter the verification code, you can get access into the platform here. And I already have an account. You can also check it out. Trade tomorrow smarter with the Bitget. You can also download the app. They also have Ramadan trading, cash market swing, stock newcomer gift trade bar, zero fees, run trend following bot, and win 5k 5 gram gold, trade anywhere, anytime. Everything is there in front of you guys. So first of all, guys, after signing up on this platform, what you need to do the next. So for second phase is that you need to do the KYC verification. First of all, you need to do here, and here you have to click on the identity verification. When you click on the identity verification, you need to do the KYC of your own account, like that here. Basic identity verification, you have to click over there, verify now. When you click on there, verify now, then you need to verify your identity, just like that. Here's everything. You can also select it out, everything, the country in which you are in right now. And after select out the country, you need to do a lot of things on this platform here and enter the region. You need to select the ID type, everything. Then you can get successfully everything on this platform. So guys, after that, how you can do the trading, let me show you how you can do the trading on the Bitget, each and everything. So stay with me. So guys, after the verification, you can do the trading on this platform, like that. Here's the trade. You can also check out the sports section, margin section, their own chain convert and block trade. The launch hub is also here. The pre-market is also here. You can also check it out, guys. Launch X, launch pair, launch pool, the pool X, candy bomb, on chain airdrops, trading club championship. And you can do the copy trading and trade program, future copy trading, sport copy trading, board copy trading too on this platform is also available there. And after that, here's the margin, guys. In the margin, you can also check out USDT pairs, the BTC pairs, everything is there. The on chain convert and block trade, the launch app, copy, everything. So let me show you how you can do that. So first of all, we are going to do with the BGB, which is one of the native token of this platform. BGB is the token of the Bitget on this platform. You can check it out, everything is there in front of you guys. And after that, here you can also how you need to place the here. And after that, here is a complete structure of the trading. And you can also check out, this is the graph where you can also check out when was the coin up, when was it down, and when is the highest point here about this platform, what was their prices, what is going down their prices, what prices are now. You can check it out, everything is in front of you. And here is sport margin boards also here, how you can do the sport trading, you can do the margin trading, and you can do the boards trading. In the sport, you can also check out here's a buy or sell, both things are also here. You can also enter the amount, you can also select out the token and enter the amount, how much you want to the amount here. And the total USD will be shown up there, and you need to click on this platform buy. They also have everything. I will also show you how you can do that. Make sure that you are doing the PNL over SL over PL. And here's the margin section. In the margin section, you can also click on the BGB USD. They also have the cross and isolated too, the both were also here. The adjustment only applies to order under current mode and cross margin mode. All position, all coins share the same margin balance in the margin account. In the event of the liquidation, traders may risk losing the full margin balance along with any position under the margin assessed. And each trading pair has a separate margin account with the base currency and the code currency of the trading pair sharing the dedicated margin. In the event of the liquidation, trader may lose the margin balance and position of the respective trading pair, but the other trading pairs and margin will be not affected. And you can also select out the oscillated mode and whatever you want. And you can also select out the leverage on this platform, how much leverage you want on this platform. You can also select over there on this platform here, just like that, 10x or 9x and whatever you want. The high leverage and the bigger the maximum positions are, the larger sum you can borrow. However, not the excessive borrowing can lead to the liquidation. Monitor your account risk ratio daily, gently, and deposit more marginally promptly. And after that, you need to enter the quantity, how much quantity you want on this platform. You can also enter the amount here, like that. I have entered the amount, the total USD are more than 200, and available size also here. You can click over there, and you can also transfer your funds. And how you can transfer your funds, it are super easy. You can go and open your account. You can also transfer your fund from sport to the isolated margin, sport to the other section, just like future and other type of the things, to make sure the trading is going so much smoothly. And you can also enter the amount over there on this platform, which is super duper easy. So guys, that and how you can do the bot trading. They also have the sport grid, sport martingale, and they also have sport auto invest, sport trend following. Each and everything basically are on this platform. And sport position grid is also here. You can also select out whatever you want on this platform, and you can do the bot trading on this platform. Like that, trigger requirement, they also have single cycle TP target, investment base order size, safety order size, max safety orders. You can also click on there, create a board here, and enter the everything you want. And AI also here. You can also use all over AI also here. You can also enter the amount and create a board. If you don't do that, you can also check out the preview on this platform too. So guys, that was how you can do the trading on this platform. They also have trading board. In the trading board, you can also check out a lot of things like overviews also here, the sport grid, sport martingale, sport trading following, sport portfolio, sport position grid. Basically, they also have custodial board, futures signal board, and after that, futures position grid, funding rate, arbitrage, future trading following, future martingale, future grid too on this platform also available there, so you can go check them out. And how you can, that was how you can trade on this platform in the future. You can also check out, you can do a future trading on this platform. And if you want to check on the trading info, you can check out over there. So as we are going back, and let me show you more things about this platform, how you can do the P2P. They also have the buy crypto, guys. You can also buy or sell. You can do the P2P trading, Bitget card, everything. You can also the buy and sell on this platform. Your fastest way to buy the crypto, like you have to enter the amount, pay here, like enter the amount here. And if you want to sell here, you can also click on the selling option, where you can sell your dollars, and you can literally buy your dollars on this platform using this payment method, deposit crypto. First, how you can deposit the crypto. Depositing crypto is super easy on the Bitget, guys. Let me show you how you guys can like deposit crypto on this platform easily. And here's the deposit section. Basically, first you need to select out the currency, which currency you prefer. Choose the network here, just like that. Here I'm choosing TRC20. Then after that, you need to enter the amount here, how much you want to deposit. FAQs also here. You can also check out the FAQs here. And after that, how you can withdraw on this platform. The withdrawal on this platform is also super easy way, and you can also check out. You need to enter the choose the network, and you need to enter your own withdrawal address and click on the next. When you click on the next, then you can withdraw your funds successfully, and you can also deposit the fiat and also have withdraw the fiat on this platform too, guys. And after that, here's buy a sale. I already have shown you, and how you can do the p2p trading on this platform like that. Here you can check it out. You can basically sell your dollars on this platform here, and which is also in front of you. You can do the p2p trading on this platform here, and you can also check out if you want to buy here, you can buy here. If you want to sell here, you can also literally sell your dollars on this platform, which is also in front of you. It's super easy way to sell. And in the earn option, guys, in the last here you can overview simple earn, on chain earn, structure loans, everything's here you can do on this platform. Simple earns are also here. If you want to check out the overview, you can also check out the overview too on this platform here. And here's got simple earn, everything's there, so you can use our this thing now, guys. And in the other section, you can also check out still a lot of things are available there. And you can also check out, here's my option, and you can also deposit on this platform. I already have shown you how you can deposit, the withdrawal, the transfer, the assessed account, products, order, security, identity verification. I already have shown you each and everything over this platform. You can also visit the rewards section. And after that, the BGB is the one of the bestest and Bitget native token, so you can go and also check out the trading on this platform too. So guys, that was our video about the Bitget. I hope you liked and enjoyed my video. So I will meet you in the next video. Have a great day. Please keep safe and stay happy.